Today I would like to talk about the devastating impact of school closure. See, 4 weeks back, when we enjoyed the new year coming 2022, we thought the year 2022 would be a good year for each and every one of us, including our little ones. But contrary to that, a sudden surge of COVID-19 variant Omicron that once again pushed us to close our schools once again indefinitely. Though the Omicron surge, it is more infective but less infective and more transmissible, the authorities as well as the politicians, they think by closing the school, closing the border, introducing curfews, etc. will reduce the disease burden. It is not that way. Even before the second wave, experts across the board decided and advised there is no need of closure of school, and schools are the one to close in the end, and the schools are one to open first. This was the message given by the all experts. In spite of all these things, again our schools are closed indefinitely. The idea behind this school closure, it is because a very emotional subject. Everybody will think we have done something for our little ones. They think these little ones will bring the disease from infection from school and they will give to the older people at home. It is not that way. Various studies, including some studies in Spain, they have studied more than 1 million school children. The R value for COVID-19 spread is less than 1. That suggests schools are not a predator. See, in India, there are various other overcrowded places like marketplace, mall, railway station, bus, etc., etc. But these are the primary places where the super spreader, schools are not a super spreader. What is the consequence of this school closure? See, by closing the school, we are preventing the right of a child. Education is the right of a child. So school closure actually putting our kids' mental health in a disarray. Various studies from last September, 2021 September shows 1/3 of our children are not able to write and speak and learn. More than half of the children are very poor in their studies. This is the findings from the various studies we have found. Not only that, in various other countries like American Academy of Pediatrics, they have said the mental health of the child is very much affected. In USA, it is a national emergency. So like that, in India, not only these kind of learning disabilities, of course, they may say it can be overcome over a period of time. The amount of physical and mental health the children are suffering is devastating. In India, other than these things, the children are also going for a malnutrition and also obesity and child labor. These are the other consequences, especially seen in India. To overcome all these things, it is the right time we all of us together, parents, teachers, doctors, epidemiologists, politicians, every one of us should raise the voice against this, and we should take initiative to open our school. Thereby our kids will learn in a good atmosphere, and this online education is never an alternative for our routine education. This is the place where our kids will learn socially, emotionally, and they build up their schooling only with the interaction with the humans like teachers and peers. With this short message, we hope the year 2022 and forward will be a good year for not only for us but also for our kids also. Thank you.
Indiana Hospital and Heart Institute. Aid. Inspire. Aspire.